blessed day everyone and welcome to my vlog. I uploaded a short introduction video as vlog number 1, pero syempre kung meron number 1, dapat meron ding vlog number 2.
Depende country yan.
So this is just a life update kasi wala naman akong mapag-updatean, so kayo na lang ang pag-updatean ko.
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to Pasay para manood ng isang musical. Tara, punta tayo. So today is Friday. So before tayo pumunta ng Pasay, dadaan muna tayo ng SM. Dito na tayo sa terminal ng SM Annex at hintayin lang natin yung kasama natin. By the way guys, yun nga pala yung landers na nasunog before. Share ko lang naman. Hala, may jacket ka. Iniisip ko kung mag-jacket ako o hindi. Malamig kaya din. Ano pala tayo? Alas 3, ang aga pala natin. What's up guys? Oh, kumain ako doon. Ma'am, pakita kayo ma'am.
Ay, kuya, hindi naman naka-on!
Eh, hindi ba? Ayan. Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Ay,
Naka-mic siya, te!
Naka-mic.
May mic pala siya! Ayan o!
Ganon. Makikita mo sa imagine mo, success ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses eh. Dito, step by the step pala.
Vlogger pala to. Hello. Hi, guys.
Hello guys, we're going to the theater at Soler. I'm with Angel,
The driver.
the driver, si Lou, our madam, and
Passenger princess.
yes, and the sponsor for today's video, si Ma'am She.
Hi.
And,
Eh, ikaw, kuya, anong role mo?
at
Our
ang
vloggerist.
the vloggers for today. And, nanonood kami ng napapanood natin, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. See you guys later.
Wow.
Jogging muna kami kasi maaga
Kuya,
pa.
wala kang intro, outro.
Wala pa eh. Since maaga pa, dumaan muna kami sa Ayala Mall. Then kumain muna kami ng lunch. Tapos nagkape. Hindi makita. Ay, ito. Ay. Yun. Nakuha din.
Mamili ka ng papasukan mo. Ayan na. The theater. It's so near. Ito na ba tayo?
That was my first time na manood ng musical play live in theater. And yes, napanood ko po yung movie version, Willy Wonka, released on 1971, and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, released on 2005.
tayo. Eto. Eto ako. Sa ulan. Hindi ka wait natin.
That was fun to watch and I'm really happy na buhay ang theater industry. And sana marami pa tayong mapanood soon kasi ako, personally, marami pa akong gustong mapanood. Most especially yung mga local. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. See you guys again. And baka hindi ka pa naka-subscribe